So I just have about I don't know, quarter pound of pressure on the back, and there, see it drawing it in? See how the rod is just slowly melting inside? And that is exactly what I'm trying to accomplish. Okay, so last step before I can start building my tailpiece is just got to extend my battery wires. So and all I'm going to do for that is a simple solder and shrink sleeve job. Actually, I went into the auto parts store to get some sort of like a terminal block for larger wires, but the guy at the counter recommended this instead, and I gotta hand it to him. I think he's right. So I have very little experience soldering these kind of larger wires, but still gonna heat up the copper. But kind of the strategy for me is to just keep heating up the copper and pushing the solder in, push it as deep as I can. I should have done this a little more stable. But there, now she's getting some heat. So as you can see, I just keep a constant pressure with the solder, and then you're heating. Sorry, might be worse for you guys now, but you're heating the copper, and then you're just pushing this in from the other side, and that helps draw it in deeper into the coils. Might be a good job for gloves, but anyways, we'll see how it holds. Time will tell. Okay, well, that's that. I gotta go put my kids to bed.